The ramps at a car wash are examples of two parallel lines. Perhaps they might meet upon extension. Let's see. You will agree with me that both lines have the same gradients. Parallel lines have the same gradients. For instance, lines y equals 4x minus 5 and y minus 4x plus 1 equals 0 have the same gradient, that is 4. Therefore, they are parallel. Other times, two lines may be perpendicular, that is, they make an angle of 90 degrees with each other. What are the effects of two lines meeting at a right angle to each other? It inverts the slope of the other line both in the multiplicative and additive sense. In simple terms, if two lines with slope m1 and m2 are perpendicular to each other, then m1 equals minus 1 over m2. So it feels like m2 is the multiplicative inverse of m1 because of the fraction and at the same time the additive inverse due to the minus sign. Furthermore, multiplying both sides by m2, we have m1 m2 equals minus 1. In other words, the product of the slopes of two perpendicular lines is minus 1. In summary, given two lines with slopes m1 and m2, they are parallel if m1 equals m2. But when the lines are perpendicular, m1 m2 equals minus 1. Join me in another lesson where we will practice examples.